Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the My Device section, then go to the All Specs, find MIUI, this icon, and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message, "You are now a developer." And now you can find these developer options here in the additional settings, and here they are. So here are all these super secret, hidden, really interesting and useful developer options. Should admit that they're mostly for advanced users who know a lot about mobile devices. But you maybe find something interesting for yourself here too. As you can see, there's a lot of different advanced options here. You can also disable developer options, and after that they should disappear from the additional settings list. And as you can see, no more developer options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.